Hello again. This is Josh from the Little Arms team, here to walk you through the student view of our Learning Management System, or LMS for short. I'll be going through how to log in and accept a course invite by creating a new account or using an existing one, and I'll also walk you through how to download and install Zephyr Drone Simulator. If you're creating a new account, feel free to keep watching here, but if you already have one, check the timestamps in the description below and skip ahead to the existing account portion of the video. There are two ways to get to the Create Account page for Zephyr. The first is to go to zephyr-sim.com and press Login in the top right. From here, press Sign Up just below the big blue Continue button, and then enter your email address and hit Continue. To get to that same exact page, if your instructor has already sent you an invite to your course, you can check your email, look for the invite from Zephyr team. You should see your course name as well as a Create Account button. After pressing that button, it'll take you to the exact same page as if you entered your email from before, and from here, create a password, making sure you follow the mandatory rules below. After creating your password, you can click this little I to show it to make sure you know exactly what it is, then click Continue. From here, you'll be sent to the dashboard with your Verify Your Email pop-up. It should have sent you an email from the same email address, so go back, check your email, and you should see a Verify Account button. Click that button, you'll see your email has been verified, and you can go back to zephyr-sim.com, enter your email address, and enter your password. Now that you've created your account, feel free to skip ahead from the next section where we just show you how to log in if you already have an existing account. Go to the dashboards and invites timestamp in the description below. If you have an existing account with Zephyr, it's really easy to accept a course invite. You're just going to go to zephyr-sim.com, go to Login, enter your email address and password, and after you've entered your password, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Once you're at the dashboard, if you have a pending invite, you'll see a big blue banner at the very top of your dashboard asking you if you want to accept the invitation. Click Accept. It'll tell you this has been successfully accepted, and now you just need to select your role. For most of you, you'll just have the one student role, so just select that, press the Select button, and boom, you've joined your course. So now you've got a full dashboard. On this homepage, you'll immediately see a couple of things. You'll see your course, you'll see your most recent flight, as well as assignments. Now, of course, if this is a previous account, you already may see some flight statistics, as well as a drop down with your flight time, some various other information. However, what's most important is you see your proper email, as well as the proper institution. So this may be your school, your employer, whatever it may be. From here, the assignments is probably the most important part. You can see all of your assignments, you can see the due dates, the date ranges you can complete it. So for instance, for this exact assignment, on March 11th, 2026 to March 31st, 2026 is when I can complete the assignment. But if I want it to be on time, I need to do it by the due date, March 18th. You'll see the minimum score you need to get on the assignments. So 500 out of 500 points, 70 out of 100 points. You'll also see the total minimum time you need to fly for that assignment. So for instance, for this particular one, I need to fly for at least 30 seconds on that attempt. For this one, a minute, and for this one, only 10 seconds. You'll also see in the scene/module this assignment is for. So once you have the simulator open, you know what scenario or scene to navigate to and what exact module to select. The last important detail is the details. Your instructor may have added some additional information, perhaps a drone they want you to fly with, so it's important to always check the details portion of your assignment. And lastly, you can see if you've completed or not completed any of your assignments. So after you think you've completed it, it's always good to come back to your LMS, refresh, and make sure it shows it as completed. The next page is the reports page. Here you can find all of your past flights for every scene and module, as well as more relevant information about them. You can sort by your scene, modules, start date and end date. There's some additional filters as well, or you can just see the list of all of them. You'll see the date and the time you completed it, the scene, the module, the exact score you got, as well as the max score, and if it was fully completed or not. You also will see these little blue indicators under the View tab, and by clicking on these you can see an even more detailed description of each flight. You can see the organization you were flying under, score percentage, letter grade. You could even see things like your total time, altitude, speed, and that's everything in the Reports tab. Next two pages are orders. You can see any past orders or purchases you've made, as well as My Content, where you can see any scenarios you may have purchased on an individual level. So for instance, right here, I can see the only ones I have are Community Park and Tutorial. Lastly is certifications. Here you'll find all our available certifications. Right now it's just the BPERP. This might be something you want to do yourself or your instructor may require of you, but this is how you'll navigate through. Just click Add and it'll guide you through the entire process. That's it for our tutorial today. Thank you for watching and using Zephyr Drone Simulator. If you are looking for more drone content, tune into our live streams at 1 p.m. Eastern every Thursday for drone news and sim updates from our team.